So today, 16th of February, Sunday, we are in CAD conference in JW Marriott along with our friends
Dr. Bharatesh Yuji from Bangalore.
and Dr.
Dr. Darshan Biradar Cartilage from Budol.
from.
Budol, Karnataka.
So I'm very happy to know that they just met me and we are now friends. That
I'm a great fan of Sir Dr. Vivek Gupta. I'm following his YouTube channel. I'm very grateful to meet him and even my mentor. Thank you, sir.
So it's very heartening that people follow and they have at least some message. I try to give a small message of every important case. What about you?
Yes, sir. I have been very educative from your videos. We started learning from by seeing your videos. It was very great helpful for young cardiologists like us, which started just our career just now. So it was very informative from your side, sir. Thank you very much.
And you are Dr.
I am Dr. Darshan Biradar from Budol,
But where is this?
Karnataka, sir. North
You are from Karnataka and you are from
I'm
Kerala.
from Bangalore.
Bangalore, but working in Kerala.
Yeah, working in Kerala.
Okay, nice to see all these things. And today we are going to talk a little bit about the complex angioplasties. Two messages. This is CAD intervention conference. Come little bit here so that you all see. Sorry, this is. Can you come more near? Yeah. So complex angioplasty is always a passion for many people. It takes a little bit of stress in the mind of interventional cardiologist. One small message which I want to give to all cardiologists who are doing learning is that more than success is safety. So safety of the patient is more important than success. Even if you fail, the patient should not deteriorate. That should be the aim of any cardiologist. I have seen many people working in the government sector. They will keep on doing and doing and doing, and they don't just forget that the patient can also have a catastrophe on the table or post-operative. You never know. You have left a small dissection or you have made a small mistake during the procedure. You are not fully deployed the stent. Patient can have subacute thrombosis and patient can die. So our aim in complex angioplasty, I always feel that more than success, it is the safety of the patient. Patient has come for another life. He has not come for dying. So I think the interest of the patient is the safety. Even if you leave one artery, even if you leave a vessel, you do calculate this. Yesterday, Dr. Samin Sharma was talking about STEMI, and he said a few data regarding multi-vessel or complete revascularization during STEMI. I don't completely agree with this. I feel the culprit vessel angioplasty do a little. Minimum governance, maximum government is the Modi's role. Minimum governance and maximum government. If you achieve a good result by doing less is better rather than finishing off all the lesions which are only 80%, which are not causing any problem. You can always do it at a later age. So